Ja, ek het gevra vir dit te doen. Solank as dit kan.
Record jy nou?
Ja. Ek gaan so vat. Kom maar dan.
Oh, jy kyk.
Ja.
Take care of them, please.
Ek gaan hom hier op vassit so.
Nee, dit gaan bietjie weer wees, dan sien ek alles.
Ek gaan hom hier sit soos hy stoor, gaan hy so.
Ja, maar weet je waar het water is? Nee.
Stoor aan die ander kant.
Nee, daar buiten.
Is jy seker?
Dis daar. Daar's net
Goed zeker. Dan is de wagkamer recht langs de. Ik ga niet kraam nie. Ek gaan
Ja, maar aan die ander kant is ook soos 'n ander.
We're going to the theater out there, right? Yes. Yeah. And then so wagkamer recht langs de.
Ek gaan eers 'n bietjie wag hierso.
Ja,
Sê sinuus. So 'n bietjie. It's huge. Kom op, hè.
Oh, sorry, thank you so much.
You can maar cry, it's fine. There's nothing in there.
I'm just going to see to
Right.
in warm and make sure everything is okay with him. Just do a little bit of an examination. Your
Okay.
hands full, can kiss him.
Okay.
And then I'm going to ask you to please just sit for us a little bit in the visitor's lounge. And as soon as he's comfy on his bed, we call you in.
No
Is that
problem.
okay? Okay.
I just want to see his weight as well.
Okay. That's
Okay.
fine. Let's go sit down. Bye bye.
Wow, 2.5.
5:30.
Wow. Okay, Edre.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, I
Okay.
appreciate
Can I
it.
show you?